Guys, seriously, I am so over this vlogging thing because this is taking a lot of my energy and my time. I am so over it. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you who know me, you know that I started YouTube about a year and a half ago, but that didn't work out so well. So I've decided to give this another shot, and today being the 31st of December 2020, the last day of the year, I have a few errands to run in town and we'll possibly be going to the beach afterwards. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So if you want to see more, please stick around. Bye! So guys, I'm so bad at this. I even forgot that this was supposed to be a vlog. But guess what? The whole gang is together now. And we'll see you when we get to the beach. Peace!
A few moments later.
Everybody's scoring and we're supposed to have our mask. So guys, we finally made it to Rodney Bay after 3 hours of traffic. 3 hours. So we finally made it to the supermarket. Well, you can get the apple. The apple is fine. We finally made it to the supermarket. My aunt is on the KFC line and we're getting the drinks and the snacks. So as you all can see, we finally made it to the beach. There was so much traffic. We stopped for food, we stopped for drinks and snacks and stuff. So we're finally here. The water's a bit rough as you can see, but we'll see the best that we can make out of it. But in the meantime, let me introduce you to the gang. So like I said, I was going to introduce you to the gang. So introduce yourself. Okay, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Margaret from Mags all the way. I'm by the beach today, enjoying the scenery.
Your turn.
Hey, Colin here. Wonderful scenery.
Find some friends because I really don't want to get burned. The vlog wasn't as eventful as I would have expected, but the sun is in my eye. But yeah, I got some footage, so I'll see what I can put together for you guys. So much happened that I wasn't able to record everything, but thank you so much for tuning in. See you in my next video. Bye.